Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are excited for today's review. We got right here a brand new baby that we need to add to the collection. I have officially run out of space. I literally have one spot right here at the bottom of my bookshelf for one sneaker only, and that is it. So after that, I'm gonna have to buy probably another bookshelf and just continue to collect more sneakers because, I mean, you know, why not? Yeah, I have a problem. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing as I post twice a week reviews, anything that has to do with sneakers, fashion, vintage, all that good stuff, falling under the budget. If that's something that interests you, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe, turn on post notifications, and to everybody that's watching today's video, let me know down below what you thought of today's review. Now, I don't want to hold you all any longer, so we're gonna jump right into the review. The sneaker gods blessed me once again, and I took a W on the sneakers app for the Nike SACAI's with Fragment collaboration. So you guys can see here we have the beautiful Nike orange box. I just got these delivered by I think it was FedEx, if I'm not mistaken, a couple hours ago, and yeah, it's time to you know, get to filming and whatnot. So quickly, I'm gonna show you up here. Here we have the size tag. I was a little bit concerned because this is my first Nike SACAI's, and I wasn't sure about the sizing. Like I always say on most of my videos, I can fit a 6, 6.5, sometimes a 7. It's pretty weird how the sizes work on different brands and silhouettes, but this 6.5 fit me like a glove. I think if I would have ordered a size 6, it would have fit me too tight. I may have still been able to get away with it, but who knows. But I'm glad the 6.5 fit me exactly the way I want my sneakers to fit. As you guys can see, retail was $160. I ended up paying about $181 with shipping and all that good jazz. If we look at StockX, the payout as of right now is, I believe, $281. So if I was to sell these, I would make $100 profit. But being honest with you guys, I do not want to sell them. These shoes are just too beautiful to sell, and I'm actually planning, hopefully, to add the gray colorway. I think it's dropping next week, so by the time this video comes out, the second colorway will be out by then. So yeah, if I don't hit a W on the sneakers app for retail, I will 100% buy the UA version of it, because we don't take L's in this channel. Come on, man. So anyways, I did an Instagram poll whether to sell them or hold them, and most of you guys told me to hold, but I didn't specify hold as in brand new or hold to keep for the personal. So I'm holding them for the personal. I'm gonna wear these shoes, so yeah. So here's how they come packed, and I obviously already saw these shoes right here, so it's kind of messy. Pretty weird how they packed the sneakers, but here we have such a beautiful shoe. Let me take the other one out. Alrighty, so here we have both of the sneakers. It comes with an extra pair of laces in the white colorway. 100% be honest, I am not changing the laces. I think the navy blue ones look super cool, so I'm gonna put this shoe to the side for a moment, and we're going to review this one right here so that the bag is not on the way. So here we have a close-up of the sneaker. Super beautiful, super soft suede that we have right here. This shoe has so many materials on it, and it's very interesting the kind of construction it has. I know the SACAI's have been out for a little bit, but this is my first time having one in my hand, and it's a privilege that I was able to, you know, cop for retail. You know, instead of doing my first UA pair, I was actually, you know, blessed to have a retail one instead. So we have some suede, we have also some mesh parts, which will make this shoe very fresh and comfortable to wear. And I think that mesh part will help you in the event that you want to size down or like go half size down. I could have fit these in a size 6 just because these are mesh. If it would have been leather or some other material, I don't think I would have been able to pull that off. I love the double swoosh. I know some other people have different opinions, but in my taste, my opinion, these double swooshes look super dope. I love how the navy and the white contrast with each other. In my prior video, I think I had said that navy was my favorite, one of my favorite colors. I would say is my second favorite after mustard yellow. Right here, we have this kind of like, I would say, feels kind of like Boost, but I know it's not Boost. I'm gonna try to put it somewhere on the screen if I find the name of this kind of material, but this midsole part right here and this one right here are made of the exact same materials. They're just different colors. And then right here we have the classic fragment SACAI's logos written up there. Now on the heel part, we have the Nike SACAI written down here. Super nice, very cool details. I love how it's overlapped. Again, some people may have different opinions, but I like the route that they went with this sneaker right here. Now, some people do not like how extended this thing is. I personally like it, and also if you are a short person, trust me, this thing right here will give you at least, what is this, 2-3 inches of height. I'm 5'6", 5'5", 5'6", somewhere around there, but these right here make me look taller, so you know what I'm saying? Like, I love these just for that fact. Well, that makes me love them even more. Here's the other side of the sneaker, and here we have a little bit more lettering and whatnot. Then we have the bottom. This right here looks like this shoe is gonna be dope to walk, you know what I'm saying, on like anything. I don't think these are gonna be slippery shoes. I think they have really good grip. Pretty nice, I would say, walking shoes. I wouldn't use these fragment collaboration ones for anything that's gonna destroy them, such as hiking and whatnot, but I think this bottom right here would be dope to try that out. But I would not wear a $300 shoe for hiking. But anyways, and then here we have the inside of the sneaker. You can see right there it says Nike, and then the fragment logo, and then the Nike logo. Now, one thing I do agree with other reviews I have watched is the fact that they put the fragment logo behind here. I would have preferred to have a fragment here and the Nike in the back, because it's clearly like Nike is everywhere around the shoe, like in the heel, the sides. You cannot miss that these are Nike, but you could miss that these are fragment collaborations just because, you know, the double tone kind of covers it. That's just my opinion. Let me know down below what you guys think. So I'll make sure to insert some nice B-roll for the sneakers, but overall I'm very pleased with the purchase. I have zero regrets, you know, spending my money on these, and the fact that I was able to get them for retail really makes it even more worth it, in my opinion. If I had to pay resale for them, then you know, I don't think I would have added them to the collection, because paying $300 for this sneaker right here, I think the lowest ask right now is around $330, somewhere around there at the time that I'm recording this video, at least. In my opinion, these shoes are not worth $300, okay? I'm okay paying the $160 retail. That, in my opinion, $160, they are worth $160. Like, the quality is A+, but I do not recommend you pay resale for these, to be honest. That's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm just gonna try to film a bunch of content for you guys so that you guys have something to watch in the next couple of weeks, because I have to take everything down, because I have to move out of my current home, because your girl purchased another home and we are moving in the next couple of weeks. So expect a new YouTube setup like studio and all that good jazz, and also expect a tour for my office, because I'm going to do a video before I have to tear everything down so that you guys can see the behind the scenes of my videos. So I hope you guys enjoy that video whenever it comes out, and thank you all for the support. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.